Hello, good morning, guys. So, welcome to lesson 8 on the beginner guide how to make money online forex trading. All right, so what are we going to talk about in lesson 8? So, we are going to talk about the introduction. So, we'll be looking at introduction to trading view and also the features and more. So, features and a lot. All right, so this practical video that I want to make on how to analyze the markets uh, like a pro. So like a pro, right? So in this section, so we'll take it from step by step. So now we are looking at the introduction to the trading view and also the features and more. And now the next one, lesson 9, we'll be looking at finding zones, reversal candles, and all that. And lesson 10, we'll start analyzing the markets and we'll talk about risk management. All right, so let's kick with lesson 8, and now lesson 8, that's the trading features and more. So what are we going to talk about? So we are going to talk about the features in forex trading. So as a beginner, you have to know how to analyze the forex market, and to do that, you have to know how to use the tools in the trading view. So every trader, uses the trading view for analysis. This is because the trading view is more, it has more tools to help you analyze the markets, and yeah, it has more tools, and also uh, it is clearer to use it is clearer to use it's clearer and better to use the trading view than using the MT5. Because using the MT5 platform, you don't really have, it's like the trading view, it has more features that helps you analyze the market better than you see the way I'm moving this one up and down here. Using that with the MT5, it's not really that smooth. Let me say it's that way. All right, so let's start. So now we'll start from this end here. So now we'll start by signing in. If you haven't signed in into TradingView, you have to sign in. So imagine I'm searching TradingView for the first time. So now let's search TradingView for the first time. So TradingView, tradingview.com. You can even search this TradingView, just click enter. Okay, so it comes like this. So most of the times it comes like this. And if you want to see the charts, this is what you have to do. So if you are done logging in and maybe your trading view comes like this, this how this is what you have to do. So now you see that to come to the S&P 500, and now this is how the chart comes. But if you want to see it more clear, just click on this. That's the full chart view. So now click on it. Now it comes like this. But this is a stock trade. So we trade only Forex. So now we'll just click here. So if you want to change it, you want to change the chart. If you want to change the chart, click here. And now delete what is here. So you click on delete. And now this is all the Forex pairs that you can analyze. This is all the Forex pairs. So you choose the one you like. Most people like GBP, so I'll choose GBP. But I don't just choose GBP. If you want to choose, so first you have to select the Forex right here. So now if you want to choose a chart, you have to look here. I will recommend that you use a broker, so the under broker. So the one with the under, I recommend that you use the charts of under. So I've been using under for a long time, and I think it's better. Yeah, very better to use it because most exchanges use under. That's why I'm recommending it. So now use under for your charts. So now everything is under, just click on it. That is what you want to use. So you can see that the euro dollar, we have the chart types, we have the CMC market, we also have the FXCM market, we also have the under market, and also we have a forex.com. We have a lot of markets. We have the ICE, we have the paper stone, a lot of them. but choose the one with under. So now EU USD, I'll choose the one with under. So with this one is with under, I'll click on it, and now it comes like this. So now this, I recommend that you choose the one with under. I've analyzed some markets on it, so that's what you see. So now let's go back so that we don't see this analysis on it. Let me go with this one. I think I didn't analyze this one. So this one is the USD JPY chart. So if you want to see it like the way I'm seeing this one, it is because I clicked on the one here. So this is the watch list. You can decide to off it, or you can decide to on it. So you let's off it for now. It's not really needed now. Alright, so this is a chart, and now how do you use the tools here? So this is the tools you'll be using. So now, have you seen it comes? You see the way it's coming like a dots. Can you see these dots right here? So the dots down turning around right here. So now you can decide to change it. Some people like it with the cross. It comes like a cross. Some people like it this way. Others too want to use it with the arrow. It comes like an arrow. And also it also comes like a demonstration, something like that. So yeah, so I'll be choosing demonstration so that you can really follow me with this big circle. All right, so what I'll be talking about, so we'll go to the how to use this one here. So these tools, you have a trend line, you have a ray, info line, extended line. So basically, I use just these two. So this is to draw a trend, and also this is the horizontal one. This is what you're using most often. So a trend line is basically used to draw a trend. So now if you want to draw a trend, I just come here, click on one end, drag it, and click another one. So now if you don't understand why I did it, I came here, the small arrow right here, and now I click on the trend line. That's the first one. And now you come to any part of the screen, and now tap on it. Just tap on the mouse one, and I just move the mouse and tap on it again, and I'll leave it. And I'll come to an 80 space, tap on it, and I am done. So that's how easy to draw the trend line. Alright, so that's how easy. Let's look at what is around here. So basically you'll be using only the trend line, the horizontal line, for beginners, that's what you'll be doing. So now let's look at the horizontal line. So the horizontal line is something like this. So you draw it, and now it is everywhere. It goes on and on and on and on and on and on. So it goes like that up to the last candle. So it never stops. But the ray, when you choose the horizontal ray, it has a starting point. So it has a nice starting point. So if you want to place it right there, you choose it and I place it. So the difference between the horizontal line and the horizontal ray is that the horizontal line doesn't have any starting points, but the horizontal ray has a starting point. You get it? So it's better if you want to really know where you drew your line. So use the horizontal ray. But if you think this is a long lifetime zone, you can lifetime line, just use the horizontal line right here. And now let's look at the vertical line. So vertical means straight. So just a straight line. Just a straight line. If I want to go it again, I have to go tap on it. Now it comes like this. So now yes, so it's very stressful when you have to go, and now if I want to use a train, I have to go and tap on it. And now before I use it, if I want to use the uh, horizontal ray, I have to go back, choose it, and I'll use it. If I want to use the vertical, I have to go back, choose it, and use it. So basically, you can have it all this at the top, so that there's no need of going back to come and choose it, and I'll use it or that. You just click it at the top. This is right in front of you. So now if you want to do that, when you come here, you see this star right here. Just click on it. So you see that it comes right in front of you. So there's no need of going back to go and choose. You see it. So it's just right in front of you. So let's do the horizontal line to the same so that it comes right in front of us. Horizontal ray. And also the vertical line. So now it is all in front of us. We don't need to go back and go and choose. Alright, so let's continue. So you'll be using the flip when you it's a tool that you'll be using when you understand it. You want to look at the basis. And so yes, let's look at the long and the short position. So now if you want to take a position, so if you want to long means you want to buy and short means you want to sell. So if you want to buy, just click on the long position and now put it at the place you want to buy. So if you want to buy here, I want to put it here and now drag it up. That's my profit target. And now my loss, how much you want to risk, just put it here like this. And that's it. So this is a buy position. So the top one is your profit target and the down one is your stop loss. No, I know we haven't talked about much this, so we'll be talking about much of it later. Now if you want to put a sell trade, and I just put it right here. So that's a sell trade right here. Drag this one down to your target and drag this one here to the place where you think you'll be wrong. So let me put it here. If you 30 cents means I'm wrong, but this is my profit target. So that's what you want to do. It's like the chart is messy. Let me clean it and continue. So you saw I came to this delete. So this one means delete. So you see right here, just click on it. Remove drawings and I click on it and it's left. So if you want to remove this indicator, so the blue line you see right here is an indicator. I use the EME. So that's the moving average indicator. If you want to delete it, just come here, remove indicator. It's gone. Alright, so let's continue with the more of the tools. So we have here, right here is the rectangle. That's the most often. So now the rectangle and the path. So now I want to make it come in front of me like the way I've done here. So I just come and click on the star right here. And also the star right here. So it comes right in front of me. So if you want to use the rectangle, just click on it once. And now click at where you want to start. I want to start here. So just click on it once. And now you drag it. So don't click and drag. Just move the mouse to where you want to target. And now click it again when you want to stop. And that's it. You click an empty space to de-highlight it. Now that's it. That's how to use the rectangle. So now the rectangle, just click on it once because now it's in right in front of us. So just click here. And now click here once. Move the mouse to your target and now click it again. And now you ended it. So that's how easy you can use the rectangle. So most often the rectangle is used in identifying zones. So now you are finished doing it, you want to move it, just click on it and drag to where you want to move it to. So if you want to move it to here, that's fine. Alright, so now I think that the rectangle is the little we talk here. And we'll go into the rest later. And also let's look at the text. So now if you want to type something, maybe higher high. So if you want to type higher high, you can type it. You can decide to choose the text size to 12 so that it becomes small. And you bring it right here. So this will be the higher high. So higher high, if you want to type another one, higher low, but I want it to come here so that I don't go back to main click. So I'll just use the stand right here. Select it right here. So now it's here. So I come and type higher low. So you can do it right here like this. You can continue and so after that you can drag it. Just click on it and drag. Click and drag. Click, hold and drag. Yeah. So click, hold and move the mouse. That's how to drag it. Okay. So now the next thing we'll be talking about here, I think is the lock. So now if you want to lock it, so imagine I drew this one, and now have you seen? So when you click right here, let's say you are moving the charts, but you mistakenly clicked on the text right here. and you move it. So the chart will move, rather you move this one. But I want it to stay at one place without moving. So just highlight it and come here and come and click on the lock. So when you click right here, you have locked it, so it can never move again. So all the charts becomes one. So now you have locked, you have locked everything. So now when you choose here, you have locked all drawings. So you can see lock all drawings. So I've locked everything. But what if I want to lock only this one? So just click on it, and now at it here, you can see the lock right here. So when you click on it, you see the settings that comes along with it. So you see the settings right here. So if I want to lock only this, the settings will come in and click on the lock, and I have locked it. So that's how easy you can lock it. And now for some purposes, you can also use this one right here. So it will hide all the drawings on the chart. So sometimes the drawings are too much. You can't even see the price action. So you can click on the hide drawings right here to hide everything on the charts. And now that's it. Alright, so we know that here for the delete everything as I shown. Okay. So now let's come here. So let's look at here. So here is for the chart representation. What do you want? How do you want the chart to be represented? So you can choose the candles, you can choose lines, you can choose area, or you can come. There are a lot of them right here that you can choose. You can choose this columns, anyone you want to choose, any how you want to represent your chart. Just click on it to change. But me, I've chosen candles and I want it to be candles as I explained in my lecture slide 7 and 6. Okay, so now the indicators. So yes, for indicators, so like I have the EMA, so I have a lot of them. So these are my favorites. You can search. So when I search EMA, so you can see moving average indicator. A lot of them will come. So you choose anyone you like to be present on it. So let's say I'm checking this one, EMA envelope, this one. It will come right here. Yes, I need to look. I can change it and I'll see maybe I want Bollinger Bands. So now choose it and I'll click on one. And you can see it on the charts. This is how it comes. And if I want to delete it, I'll come here and I'll delete it. Come here and delete it. So yeah, so there are a lot of indicators there. When it comes to technicals, you see a lot of indicators and also strategies. It gives you a signal on the buy or sell. A lot of strategies are here and also indicators. We also have patterns. We also have profiles. So the patterns identify the pattern, morning star engulfing any of them. You also have profiles. So I see. So yes, so you can decide to choose anyone that works for you if you use them regularly. And yeah, I think this is all what I'll be talking about today. The next time we'll be getting into details of finding zones and all that. Okay. So now yes, this is the market watch list. If you want to add a pair right here, just come to this one right here, click on add symbol and choose anyone to add. I've already have just some. So if you want to add anyone, just click on it and now just click on plus. When you click on plus, that's it to come here automatically. And now you have added it to your charts. So if you don't want it to come right here, just click on it to send it back. Okay. So yeah, so that's what we'll be talking about. So now what I want to explain is I want to tell you that each candle, so if this is the time frame, so this is the last thing. So these are the time frames. We have the 1 tick and 10 tick, 1 second, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. We have the daily, weekly, monthly, 3 months, 12 months, 1 range, 100 range. The ranges looks like this. So it's very, very small. It moves fast. It moves less than the 1 minute. So we have 4 hour, you know. And if you want to add it, like the way I've added it that has come, you just click on the star. When you click on the star, it will come right here. So I click on 3 minutes right now, and that's come here. If you want to, if you don't want it, just click on it again and to remove it. So that's how you can use the time frames. So, and also when you choose the 30 minutes, it means each candle is 30 minutes. Each candle is 30 minutes. Or each candle takes 30 minutes to form. When you choose 4 hour, each candle takes 4 hours to form. And choose daily, each candle takes daily 1 day to form. Yes, so that's how. So now, yeah, so that's everything you need to know basically. And now we'll continue with our next lecture 9. We'll be finding our zones. Yes, and also discussing on uptrend, bearish, and ranging. We'll be finding it, and also signals. And now 10, we'll be looking at the risk management and also trading like a professional. All right, so thank you very much for being around. This is AlexGFS. Please like my video, subscribe, and also comment on this. Thank you very much for having time for this video. And now it's a bye for now. Thank you.